Welcome back to another video. In this one I'll be finishing off the worktops in the camper van by fitting some upstands to hide the gap between the worktops and the walls. The upstands were fixed in place using a flexible adhesive and some screws into the plywood walls, which were then filled. Instead of having two short upstands on the end of each worktop, I used a full width piece of timber which spans the full width of the van, and this piece also acts as a stop for the mattress to sit against. This piece of timber also prevents dust and dirt dropping from the bed into the sliding door runner below it. This bit was fixed in place by screwing it into the dividers and then using some 90-degree brackets to fix it in place onto the bed. Once that was fixed in place, I added a piece of PVC trim to the gap between the upstand and the sliding door runner, which finished this off nicely. Once all the upstands were fitted, I gave them a coat of paint. Unfortunately, I can't find the footage of this, along with the footage of sealing the gap between the upstand and the wall, and the upstand and the worktop. You can see the finished result here on this clip from fitting the sink, and as you can see, they look nice and neat. But more importantly, it also means the worktops are now watertight, so any liquid can't run down into the plywood or in the cupboard below. In the next video, I'll be fitting magnetic catches to all the doors. Thank you as always for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.